Hello, I'm back with more plants, and this time I have plants that love shaded areas in summers. So, in summers, temperature reaches up to 48 to 50 degrees, but this enjoy pothos love to grow in shaded, indirect, bright light. Do not keep it in direct sunlight, otherwise, you will see leaves burning. But I absolutely love the pattern of white and green, and this is that kind of pattern that has little bit of mint in it, and once it starts shooting leaves, the plant becomes very bushy, and it's a vining plant, so you can pot it in hanging pots, and you can keep them on the boundary that is on a certain height, so it will fall down and give such a nice green look to your space. Then this one is Aurelia green plant, which looks like a tiny tree, and I absolutely love it. I will. I would have I would have loved to pot it in a tall mug kind of pot because it gives the look of small bushy tree, and I absolutely love it, and I will chop it soon to make it more bushy. And again, it loves shaded place, it loves good air circulation, so I have placed it outside under green net, right outside the window, so there's good air circulation and it hardly needs anything. I have planted it in just 100% cocoa peat with, sometimes I give it liquid fertilizer of seaweed. Otherwise, look, it's just thriving. And actually, it's a cutting from the mother plant which I lost during summer heat waves of 48 degrees. Who doesn't love syngonium? And I have clubbed three syngoniums together. This one is pink confetti, and I have seen bigger size of it, which was selling at my roadside nursery, like plant stall. They are, because they shut down during night time. So this one is this has pink spots with green, light green base. I have also added plant charms. I make them myself. I think they add little bling to the plants, which looks super nice. And next one is syngonium albo. Now, if you love white and green combination, this is another good option. Also, here is pink spot syngonium, which like changes from green to very pink with pink, dark pink spots color, and I have placed them in very nice airy, lightweight, perlite, cocoa peat, compost rich soil. So this one is very loved plant, and if you're looking for a plant that becomes very bushy very fast, this is syngonium green. um, Actually, I don't know its name because it's a very old plant, like it's my family plant kind of a plant which has been growing since I was a baby. Yeah, that this plant is that old, but I love the green in it. Look, the minty green with dark green borders looks so nice, and the fact that it grows very quickly, so you can cut the stems and group them together to make it more bushy. Like, look at that, especially during summertime when you want plants and greenery around you, this is a very nice option. At last, here's a plant charm which says I love you to the moon and back, with a moon. Plant charm, which again I made it myself, and I have placed it on my burgundy rubber plant. And my parents told me that when I was a baby, we had a very big rubber plant, black, this burgundy rubber plant, which was around 4 to 5 feet. And I think I remember just little bit, but this is 2 3 years old. I shopped it, so the stem is growing sideways, but the top part is not growing. And then I have the Shivriana. Oh my god, I fell in love with this print. Look at the mixture of dark green, green, light green, and mint. It has freckles. It's You need to have this variety of rubber plant. It's a must have. Look at the green, like how can you not get it? So these were some plants which I absolutely love. They are not talked so much about, but they need all the attention. And yeah, that's all. I will meet you next time with more plants. Till then, bye. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new.